Hey guys, I'm out today with my smasher that was the FMS K5 Blazer. I did clean it all up, and I added a little bit of chrome to the decals on the side. That was the same color of it, but I think the chrome added a whole lot to it. I didn't get the blue one. I got this colored one because I wanted to take its own personality. I didn't want it to look like Bigfoot or something, and I also didn't want it to look like a monster truck. I wanted to keep it looking like a mud truck or a nice big trail truck, you know, just ready to rip some mud, rip some hard trails. But I also they had little turn signals here. I painted those orange. I thought that looked good, just for scale. Let me know your thoughts on how I made this look. I got the Endura tires here. I thought they looked really good. Of course, I cleaned them all up, and I had used the original K5 Blazer rims. They're bead lock, but I did have to glue these tires to them because I couldn't get the beads to stay in those, but they work really good, and the foams on these things are great. I really love these tires, actually. Really cool tread. They're siped. They're good for rock crawling. And actually, with this smaller body than the K5, this thing, it doesn't scrub at all. And also, I think it's not as top heavy. It's a better crawler that way. Let me know your thoughts on it, and let's get to rolling, guys. I got it in high gear now. Of course, it's got a 2-speed transmission. It's powered by servo, and I got the original controller. And everything under the hood is everything comes with the K5 Blazer, so it's got lock diffs, unlike the Smasher does. All right, guys, let's get to rolling. And this is my mega truck. I'll put it in low gear, guys. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts on this thing in the comments. I love it. It's such a great little crawler. It's a great little trail truck. It just does so many things really good. So it's good at trailing, it's good at crawling. Let me know if you like these tires on it, how I did that. I thought they were very, very fitting with the chrome that's all over it. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing and checking out my channel. I got hundreds of videos out now. All right, guys, as always, thanks for everything.